Now, meteorologist Cameron Saliga and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, some sunshine out there as we went through your Tuesday, but we also have clouds that are starting to move on in some of the Miami Valley. Temperatures in the 80s and will fall from there as we go in the evening time, getting down to 81 degrees as we go into the 9 o'clock hour, and we see some clouds out there, but for the most part, we start to clear on out as we go through the early parts of the nighttime. Looking at your forecast as we start the day off tomorrow, right around 74 degrees in the a.m. and then we get to noon, 86. We're mostly sunny, hitting the 90s as we go later in the afternoon and starting off that evening. Today's almanac only getting up to 86 degrees compared to where we are going to be tomorrow, which is 93, but that is just above average for this time of year. 68 degrees for the low, no precipitation at the Dayton International Airport. It was a beautiful day outside, although it is a little bit sticky if you start to go outside right now. Lows in the overnight hours, 70s for the western part of the northern Miami Valley, and as you look further off to the east, a little bit cooler in the upper 60s. Going further south, we get to around 71, 72 degrees for an overnight low. Tomorrow it's going to be hot though, and temperatures in the 90s all throughout the Miami Valley. 93 into Dayton, 92 Sydney, 91 for Urbana, but we're going to have dew points in the mid 70s, and that means that heat index value will rise above 100. That's why we do have the heat advisory for the entirety of the area, and that goes until 8 o'clock in the evening time tomorrow. It's going to be hot, so definitely want to stay. You definitely want to stay hydrated if you are going to be outside, and have that sunscreen on because it is going to be very sunny. Sunny today on the Brighton Heating and Cooling Systems time-lapse camera, but then the clouds started to roll on in as we went through parts of the afternoon. Now we are starting to see that sun start to peek out on 75, but still seeing those cloudy conditions throughout parts of our area. Live Doppler 2HG, we are staying dry. That's going to continue into the nighttime, and we do have cloud cover throughout parts of Indiana, here in western Ohio, but that will start to die on out as we go through the evening time. Mostly clear skies through your overnight hours. 86 degrees the current temperature, west-northwest wind at 12 miles per hour. The dew point near 70 degrees here in Dayton, and around the area we see temperatures vary greatly. Only 81 in Urbana, just to the west in Troy at 87, and down to the south in Xenia at 84, Springboro at 85. Looking at your dew point forecast as we go in your morning time tomorrow, right around 70 degrees, so a little bit moist as you walk out the door, and then those afternoon hours, those dew points getting in the mid 70s. It's going to feel downright bad outside. It's not going to be feeling pleasant whatsoever, and it's air that you can wear. Future track through the nighttime tonight, we stay mostly clear and dry into your morning hours, and that'll continue as we go to around 11 a.m. tomorrow. We see those mostly sunny skies, and that will continue into the afternoon. As we get to the evening, though, that's when we can see a chance for a shower or two to pop up, but the greatest chance comes as we go into your Thursday and into your Thursday afternoon as a cold front starts to sweep on through here into the Ohio Valley. 71 degrees will be your low tonight, mostly clear. Winds west 0 to 5 miles per hour, getting up to 93 tomorrow, but those heat index values up to 100, possibly even a couple degrees above that. Mostly sunny skies do continue. 7-day forecast into the weekend. It is going to be getting a little bit cooler as we start your weekend off, 84 degrees, but we do have thunderstorm chances into your Thursday, your Friday, and that continues into the weekend. Temperatures near 90 on Sunday and Monday, but it does appear there are chances for showers and storms throughout much of the next 7 days. John, Brooke?